If your MacBook Air looks like it's taking a nap, you're in the right place. Let's wake it up together. First, check for power issues. Press the power button and wait. Charge it for at least 10 minutes with the original charger. Still nothing? Try a different outlet. Next, perform a force restart by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Release and power it on again. If the screen stays black, check the display, adjust brightness, or connect an external monitor. For Intel Macs, reset the SMC or NVRAM RAM. Detailed steps in the description below. Try booting in safe mode or using internet recovery mode to check your drive. Lastly, remove any external devices and try again. Still stuck? Contact Apple support, and there you go. Hope this helps get your MacBook Air back in action.